Hey boos, welcome back to my channel. If you are a new subby, welcome to my channel. Today I'm going to be showing you all how I got this amazing glam makeup look, so just stay tuned. Jumping straight into the video, what I'm doing first is brushing up my eyebrows with my spoolie. Then I'm going to draw my first line underneath my eyebrows. It's okay if you don't draw a straight line the first time. You're going to end up reshaping your brows anyway. So now what you all see me doing is just drawing my last line on top, and the same thing you did to the first side you do to the next. Right now I'm beginning to shade in my eyebrows. I like to keep them very dark at the ends going towards the middle, because once you get the spoolie, you're going to pretty much start blending, and you can drag your product from the middle of your eyebrow towards the front, which will give you that really nice ombre effect. Now what I'm doing is I'm going to take this Anastasia Beverly Hills Dip Brow in the color chocolate, and I'm just going to add it on top of my eyebrows. You don't have to do this. I just like the way my eyebrows come out when blending this product with the brown pencil. So what I'm doing now is just taking my concealer and cleaning underneath my brows. The same thing that you do to the bottom, you're going to just do to the very top. This is my personal favorite just because I have control over the shape of my eyebrow, and it gives it a really nice clean finish. So now what I'm about to do is I'm about to make a base for my eyeshadow. So you're going to see me just pull down my product from my eyebrows, and then I'm going to go back and add more concealer onto my lids, and then take my beauty blender to blend all of that out to just create, like I said, the perfect base for my eyeshadow look. You all see me doing now is just using my damp beauty blender to blend out all of the product I use to create a really smooth and nice base for my eyeshadow look. What I'm doing now is using a color corrector to just add to any areas where I may have dark spots. Color corrector also comes in different colors for different skin tones. And you just want to make sure that you blend that out really well, and that you don't have any areas where you haven't blended it down to where it looks soft. So now you all see me adding concealer underneath my eye. It actually helps give you a brighter eye, but you're also going to see me add it on top of the areas I've added the color corrector, just to give my makeup an easier transition once I put my foundation on top. Now I'm just taking my damp beauty blender and blending. I'm using this Scotch tape to put on both sides of my eyes to give me a more uniform eye look. I'm using this color as my base color. And then here I accidentally tapped the wrong color, but no worries. I went back to get the correct color and was able to just pop that right on top. Okay, now I'm just showing you all the second color I'll be using. Now I'm going to be showing you all the third color I'll be using. It'll be the matte reddish brown color right next to that one. Sorry about the color mix up, guys. So beginners, if you're anything like me, this tape on the sides does come in handy big time, because as you can see, I like to just go crazy on the eyeshadow, but it's perfect because once you take it off, you still have a really nice uniform eyeshadow look. What I'm gonna do now with this clean brush is just blend in the eyeshadow more so it doesn't look so harsh. Now what I'm gonna do is spray my finger or my brush and tap this shimmer eyeshadow and then begin to tap it onto my lid. The spray just helps the shimmer come out more pigmented on your eyelid. Now what we're going to do here is just go back to add that same matte color to the corner of my eyes. Just adding a little more and a little more. And again, I'm just using this clean brush to go back to blend everything out. Now I'm going to add this beautiful reddish bronze shimmer eyeshadow right in the corner of my eyes just to give my eyes a nice pop. I'm just checking everything out. Okay. Moving right along. Now I'm going to be using this NYX Studio HD eyeliner in the color Extreme Coffee. Now, honey, I am not a fan of liquid eyeliner, but this tape will make you a master. Add a little mascara. Now onto the face. I like to keep my makeup coverage light, so I'm going to be using my Cover FX drops with a little bit of my vitamin E moisturizer on my face, and then I'm just going to blend that all in once I'm done putting it on my face. Now I'm just going to use my damp beauty blender just to blend everything out once again. So at this point, the tape is removed from my face, and if you pay close attention, you'll see just how perfect my eyeshadow looks around the areas of my eyes. Now I'm just going to use my concealer again just to contour as normal. I'm going to contour underneath my eyes, my nose, underneath my chin, and a little bit on the lower area of both sides of my face. We're just going to start blending all of those areas in. I'm going to use my Sasha Buttercup setting powder to set all the areas of my face where I've placed the concealer. Now I'm going to use my NYX lip liner in the color brown to just line my lips, and you all, this does make a huge difference. Just me showing you all my Extreme Lip Injection lip gloss paired with my ColourPop liquid matte lipstick in the color Avenue. Just wiping away any excess setting powder. This is the contour kit that I'm going to use to contour my face. So I'm going to start with that brown and first start to contour my nose. Then I'm going to work my way from my cheeks and around my forehead area and then around the bottom of my face. Now I'm going to take this Real Techniques brush and use that to just soften up the contour around my nose so that it doesn't look so harsh. This is me contouring around my face just as I explained before. I'm going to use this bronze highlighter just to highlight my nose and the sides of my cheekbones. I'm just going to set my face with this setting spray. And voila! Thank you all so much for watching this video. I hope you all absolutely love the finished look. Make sure to leave me comments down below, interact with me, follow me on all my social medias, and you all already know, until next time, stay slayed up, stay prayed up, and stay focused. Bye, boos. Mwah.